Hey Instagram creators! Instagram just dropped a slew of new features to supercharge your content game in 2025. Want to know exactly when and why your audience loves your posts? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into these creator upgrades. Instagram unveiled new tools like reel-like insights, carousel-like insights, and post-level demographics to help creators track what makes their audiences tick. These features are game changers for growing your following. Curious how they work? Keep watching. Reel-like insights shows the exact second someone liked your reel via an interactive chart, letting you pinpoint what hooks your viewers. Carousel-like insights does the same for carousel posts, revealing which slides spark the like. Instagram says these tools help you enhance content to make more captivating reels and posts, perfect for crafting viral hits. With post-level demographics, creators can see which audience segments vibe with specific posts or reels, helping you tailor content to who's watching. Plus, the new viewers metric, replacing accounts reached, tracks total engagement and highlights which content types drive the most buzz. It's like a roadmap to what your fans love. These features give creators laser-focused insights to boost engagement and grow their brand. By showing them when and why people connect with your content, Instagram's helping you create smarter, not harder. With the viewers metric rolling out soon, 2025 could be the year to dominate. Is this Instagram's best creator update yet? Check out these new features in Instagram's Creators tool now. Dive into your analytics and start crafting content that pops. Which feature are you most excited to try? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Instagram's new creator features. Are you hyped for reel-like insights or ready to deep dive into demographics? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.